Hi, I'm Greg McMahon. And whether you're currently involved in your own For Life business or you're considering starting a For Life business, I am really excited for you because you see, I'm here to help you today. No strings attached. I mean that, and I'm going to prove it to you in as little as the next 2 minutes. You see, I want to help save you from unnecessary frustration. I want to help save you time, and I definitely want to help save you some money. You see, there is a big secret out there, my friend. And all the top 3% earners in For Life know and understand this secret. But you know, the gold international diamonds, they don't always share this information with you. And now this isn't always on purpose. You may not have access to these leaders. But one thing is for sure, if you don't know this secret and you're not implementing it into your For Life business on a daily basis, you are destined to struggle. Real quick background on myself. I came from corporate America. I worked there for more than 10 years of my life, trapped, like many people, working 60, 70 hours a week. I hardly ever got to see my family and friends. I knew there had to be a better way. And the whole idea of being able to work from the comfort of my home and my own business that revolved around my lifestyle was really appealing to me. Well, I took action, and I've now been in the industry for several years. And I had my share of frustration in the beginning, but I've also had a great deal of success as well. But you see, I've also invested tens of thousands of dollars educating myself, developing new marketing skills and refining my expertise. And in doing so, I have learned the most valuable secret that all top 3% earners know and implement in their business on a daily basis. And I'm going to give it to you today for free. That's right. I was serious when I said I wanted to help you today. So if you'd like a free copy of my video, What All Top 3% Earners Know, simply put your first name and your email address in the form that's right next to this video or in the box that's further down the page. Either area will work. Again, your first name and the email address that you'd like me to send this free video to, and I'll do that for you today. All right, now as a bonus, I want to start educating you in another area of your life that's going to be even more crucial to your success. I'm talking about your mindset. You see, you can have the best For Life products and the best For Life business and the best For Life compensation plan, and none of that will matter if you don't have the proper mindset in place. Now, one of the ways that I like to improve my mindset is by reading great books. All leaders have their favorites, and certainly a short list of my favorites would include The Traveler's Gift by Andy Andrews, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Why We Want You to Be Rich by Donald Trump and Robert Kiyosaki, and if you haven't read Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, do yourself a favor. Get a copy of that book and start reading it today. It's an oldie, but it's definitely a goodie. And again, if you want a free copy of my video, What All Top 3% Earners Know, put your name and your email address in the form that's either right here next to this video or in the form that's further down this page, and I'll send you that free video today. All right, this is Greg McMahon. I hope I've been able to help you somewhat today. I'd love to be able to help you even further as you grow in this amazing industry. And as always, I wish you the best in health, the best in wealth, and the best in wisdom. Take care.